Are you aware that your subconscious mind actually influences your daily decisions, your behaviors? Do you know that 95% of our brain is the subconscious mind and only 5% is the conscious mind? Yes, these are the statistics. Let's dive into this world of the subconscious mind and discover how you can harness its power to transform your life. Because the minute you rewire your mind, your subconscious mind, you can live the life of your dreams. Hi, my name is Ratika Seth. I'm a life enhancement coach. I'm the founder of the Gratitude Concept Tribe and the host of the Flight to Fulfillment podcast. And in today's episode, we'll explore the incredible power of the subconscious mind, how it shapes our thoughts, our behaviors, our experiences. We'll delve into 5 practical steps to harness this power, enabling you to make profound changes, take profound decisions that will help you achieve your goals. Let's get started on this journey to unlock the potential of the subconscious mind. Now, before we delve into the step of rewiring our subconscious mind, let's first understand what this subconscious mind is. Like I said, 95% of our brain is actually the subconscious mind. So, everything we do, we say, we believe in, all our thought patterns, our belief systems, everything is the subconscious mind. This stores all our memories, our experiences, and this actually shapes our reality in profound ways. So, now that we know what the subconscious mind is, let's dive straight into 5 practical steps to harness this power and rewire the subconscious mind to our benefit. Step number 1, identify limiting beliefs stored in your subconscious mind. Okay, we all have belief systems, belief patterns. We all have negative thoughts that are stored in our subconscious mind, and these belief systems stop us from taking decisions, stop us from taking steps. Identify these beliefs. If you are somebody who's wanting to achieve something really badly, but you're not able to take the step towards it, or something is stopping you, try analyzing what is stopping you. Is it a particular belief you've had ever since your childhood? Or is it something you've subconsciously believed in? The minute you can pinpoint on your limiting belief, you can then start doing your affirmations to overcome this limiting belief. Which takes me to step number 2, practice positive affirmations. Incorporate positive affirmations into your daily routine. Make this a habit. Make it a habit to do your affirmations every day, because these are positive statements which you keep drilling into yourself, into your subconscious mind. And that is when the shift starts happening. Till now, your subconscious mind has stored certain limiting beliefs, certain negative thoughts. It's only when you start doing your positive affirmations that you're suddenly feeding your subconscious mind with these positive things. So make this a daily habit. Reflect. Do your reflections and then do your affirmations. Keep repeating your affirmations consistently. It's like you're just feeding your subconscious mind all the time now with positive affirmations, so that you can rewire your brain to your advantage, so that you can transform your mindset to your advantage. Step number 3, do the visualization technique. Visualize your goals. It's a great way of rewiring your brain. And the best way to do your visualization exercise is to do it either while you're going to sleep or the minute you've woken up. Because that's when you're in that alpha state. Whatever you visualize, it will get stored in your subconscious mind. So if you start visualizing success, if you start visualizing achieving what you want to achieve, you are storing it into your subconscious mind. Okay, this will embed all your desires into your subconscious mind, making it more attainable. Step number 4, practice meditation, practice mindfulness, because that's your way of being in touch with your yourself, your deepest self, your innermost self, your subconscious mind. Regular meditation, regular mindfulness practice allows you to quiet the conscious mind and access deeper layers of your subconscious mind. This will give your subconscious mind clarity and insight, and it will start rewiring. It will start making shifts for you, for your benefit. Step number 5, take inspired action, because nothing happens without action. Without action, your dreams are only dreams. Without actions, whatever goals you're setting for yourself, they will only be fantasies. They will never become reality. So take inspired action. That's the final step, but the most important step. Nothing happens without action. Trust your intuition, trust your gut all the time. It is yours. And act upon ideas and solutions that arise during your reflective practices. Now you're rewiring your mind. So, when you're doing your affirmations, when you're doing your reflective practices, when you're doing your meditation, take actions based on the positive thoughts, the gut feeling, the intuition you have at that point in time. By identifying your limiting beliefs, by practicing these affirmations, by visualizing your goals, by engaging in mindfulness and meditation and taking action, you will actually rewire your brain to your advantage. So that's all for today. Thank you for tuning in to the Flight to Fulfillment podcast. If you found this episode insightful, subscribe, share, leave a review. Let's continue this journey of unlocking our potential together. Until next time, this is me, Ratika Seth, encouraging you to tap into the power of your subconscious mind. Join our community, Gratitude Concepts, for more tips and for all the support you may need on your journey to fulfillment. Follow me on my Instagram handle at the rate Gratitude Concepts by Ratika Seth, and you will get your daily dose of inspiration over there. So until my next podcast, this is me, Ratika, your life enhancement coach, signing off. Bye-bye.